Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. One of my favorite at-home hair kits has become this one by All About Curls. If you're looking for a hair kit that is not going to be drying on your hair or damaging, you will want to look into this one. Obviously, I have really curly and wavy hair, and so that's what appealed to me when I saw the name. However, it provides really lush color and it's non-irritating when I use it. I really like the coverage that I get from this hair kit because I am starting to see some grays coming in, and so being able to get good coverage that doesn't fade just within a few days is really awesome. The kit comes with a serum that you put on your hair at the ends before doing your coloring. By doing this, you really provide some extra protection so the hair color does not dry out your ends. Again, if you're looking for a kit that's going to provide luxurious color and great coverage as well as not being irritating for your hair, then you want to go with this one from All About Curls, and that's my point of view.